I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I always get caught up in love, and I am done with that.
Auntie Mariah. Angel, you ready? Ready! I'm ready! You ready? You ready? Yeah, we finna. What you need? I got you. But y'all, we're at the beach. Let's go get away. Hey, what they gonna say? I got drink. I know. Get on the floor. Your last chance. Okay, Beard.
I barely touched hers.
You ready?
You want the eyelash glue?
Hey guys. So
Baby, you gotta be patient.
Angel is so ready to leave. All you hear is come on. He's not playing. Which is okay. It's a kid's nature to want to go and have fun. So the kids nature want to go have fun. So we're gonna do it. And I'm pretty sure I could do this, so I'm gonna record it. Taking my shot on camera. Clink. Sorry for being a lag. I'm gonna make sure I edit everything out. I'm gonna see them in the face. Come here. This is my baby. This is my nephew. My sister's creation to humanity. By God's grace and mercy. Look.
Okay, no more candy for you.
Look, say hey. Say hi, Angel. Look.
Hi.
How old are you?
2.
What's your name?
2.
No, what's your name? Angel? Or what's my name?
Auntie Smitty.
Good job. But what's your name?
Angel.
There you go.
What's my name?
Mommy.
What's my other name?
Nicole.
Auntie Raya.
Yeah, Raya.
Auntie Raya. That's the only person. Thank you.
Because you're the sweetest, like, munchkin.
Thank you, Pookie.
You feel me, Pookie Pie? It's 5 minutes and 47 seconds. That's so funny. 20 hours later.
Let's go.
We almost done. Pookie looking sexy. Say hey, Pookie. Hi, Pookie. Hi. Hey, guys. So we have finally arrived. Sister and baby Angel. It's a little cold, y'all.
She said bundle up.
That's why I'm happy I brought a dress, because I feel like I'll be okay.
Yeah, that's why I wore a dress.
Yeah, like our legs. Once you said dress, I said, okay, I'm wearing a dress. If we would have went to any other beach,
I mean, those shorts, I could probably fit them.
if we would have went to any other beach, it would have been even more cold. So this is like the closest thing to like a warmer beach. It's a little windy, but not too bad. If we would have went to like San Francisco, it would have been freezing.
We can do that after the beach. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, payday, you know, Friday.
Angel's first time at the beach, y'all.
Oh, you might be warm.
Oh, you're in the sand. This is your first time seeing the ocean. Oh, Angel, how do you feel, baby? Yay! Look, let me show y'all something. I've been friends with this woman since we was in kindergarten, and we are grown adults after high school. Yes, like we've been friends for so many years, but that's why we had to come here, enjoy each other's time with the sissy and the Neff.
Yeah, look at the water. Come on.
Got Mommy and Angel.
It's gonna be heavy.
Heck of cold. All of our toes are gonna be exposed. Oh, it's cold out, Angel. You ready? You ready?
I don't think you should do it.
Oh gosh. Ah, dang it, it's too far.
No.
Come on. Let it touch you and don't get scared, baby. It is what it is. It is what it is. Cold. Cold? hecka far, huh? Hecka far.
Do it again?
Y'all, the ocean is such a beautiful place to be. Like, I love being at the ocean.
Angel, you like it?
I'm my lover, you guys.
She helped Angel literally fell. She helped him up.
Aw. Angel, look. What's that? It's a sandcastle. Mommy doing a good job right now.
Last and I'm so happy.
Sister, I know, I could tell.
I'm trying to make him a nice little
Angel, you having fun at the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey y'all, so I don't think I got any footage of us actually in the sand and everything. I think I got a little bit of it, but right now we changed because it's freezing and it's okay, sister. Look at Angel. He's chilling right now. Say hey. Or not. Ew, it's all the trash. Right, Angel, say ew. Ew, gross.
Somebody's 4 shots of knowledge. Angel, cheer mommy on. Go, mommy, go, mommy. Angel, say go, mommy, go.
Alright, y'all ready?
Okay, alright. I gotta go because I missed mine. We gotta at least get 3. Right.
Hey YouTube, so we left the beach. It got cold, so we were like, no, we got hungry. They eating their corn dogs, already devoured mine. Chilling. Angel, say hey.
Hey.
He's so cute. Yeah, y'all. We got like an hour. Aww. That's so random. We love that. We have like an hour drive, I believe. So, see you guys in a moment.